Fold-down wall tables turn empty wall space into temporary dining and work surfaces that disappear when you do not need them. Start by choosing the right mounting method for your wall type, because a secure anchor is the difference between a reliable table and a hazard. For solid masonry, use masonry anchors, and for stud framing, locate studs and fasten through them with lag bolts, and for hollow walls, use toggle bolts rated for the load you expect. Measure the intended use and build to support it, aiming for at least 100 pounds of working load for dining or laptop use. If heavy cooking gear or multiple users are likely, design for more. For drop leaf tables with folding legs, set the hinge so the leaf rests level with the fixed section and add a simple swing leg that locks with a spring clip to avoid accidental collapse. With wall-mounted bureau desks, install an inner ledge or magnetic strip for small tool storage and route cables through a grommet so devices stay charged without clutter. Murphy-style dining tables benefit from counterweights or gas springs to make lifting smooth and to reduce stress on the wall mount, and use a locking latch to hold the upright position during meals. Hinged consoles with storage and fold-out shelves with an integrated pegboard add organized storage by placing frequently used items at eye level and heavier items low, and use removable bins or labeled hooks to keep the system adaptable. Common mistakes include underestimating the wall fasteners, which leads to wobble or pull-out. Fix this by always testing the anchor method on a load equal to the expected use and reinforcing with through bolts to the stud when possible. Another frequent error is poor ergonomics from mounting at the wrong height, causing discomfort for dining or prolonged work. Avoid this by measuring standard chair or stool heights and planning for a table surface height that matches your primary activity. A third issue is insufficient lateral bracing that allows the table to twist under load. Address that by adding a folded support arm or a diagonal bracket that locks when open, and by using full-length piano hinges at the wall to distribute shear loads. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides project ideas and planning resources specifically useful for small space solutions like wall-mounted fold-down tables. We also host a discussion community where homeowners and contractors exchange installation tips, material recommendations, and photos so we can all learn from real projects.